Hey guys, last week I posted a video of some of the benefits of kinetic stretching. So if you scroll back a few posts, you'll see me in this position, this 90-90 position, kind of folding forward and then coming back upright. Kinetic stretching has a little intention of its own. So today I want to share with you how to kinetic stretch. When you're kinetic stretching, you're actually contracting the muscles and the tissues that pull you into the direction that you're moving. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to contract my hip flexors and my external rotators to really pull myself forward, pull and contract my body into this folded position. And then in order to come back up, I'm going to contract my outer hip as I push my leg back into the ground. One way to add a little bit of feedback, kind of let you feel that a little more, is to drape an ankle weight over the leg. And as you're trying to draw yourself forward, you're thinking of almost trying to lift that weight up. And then when you come back to the upright, I'm still trying to push my leg back down into the ground.